Here we go. We have a question, maximum value of an ordered triplet part 1. You are given 0 index array. We need to return the maximum value over all the triplet of indices such that I is less than j and j is less than k. If all such triplets have a negative value, return 0. The value of a triplet is equal to nums of I minus nums of j multiply nums of k. So this is a simple question, easy level question. So we need to just figure out the value, and if all such triplets have a negative value, we just need to return 0. So we have three values I, j and k. Can we apply nested for loop? So can we apply n cube? Let's check out. So yes, we can apply n cube solution. So let's simply write n cube solution first. So this is my brute force. So we need a for loop for I. Then we need a for loop for j, and the index should be different, and we also need k. The index should be different, which is and also greater than j, right? So we have these. We want long answer, and the answer is the maximum value between already answer and this value. So let me directly copy this and also add long here. Just return answer. Let me submit this and I hope it will work. Sorry, we don't have n. So let me first run this now. Yes, let me submit it. Yes, working fine. Let's discuss about the time complexity. In this, we are iterating n cube. So the time complexity in this case is n cube. Can we do better? Yes. So what we have I less than j less than k, and the value of nums of I minus nums of j multiply nums of k. We have this. We want this particular value maximum and we want this particular value minimum, right? So I will write a for loop for this and I will find my maximum value. This is a for loop for I will find the maximum value. Then I will go ahead, then I will take the minimum value and also try to multiply the value. First I will take a minimum value, then I will go ahead. So suppose this is my ith value. I will take I plus 1th value as my minimum value. Then from I plus 2 till n, I will multiply this. But there may be a case that minimum is in this range, right? So I will also take minimum between minimum value of minimum and nums of k. Before that, I will multiply, I will do my calculation of this. This is my resultant. So that's how this approach will work. So I will write the code, then you will get a clear understanding. So first of all, we need answer, we need int nums length, and we need maximum. So let me take long, and yes, that's all. Let me first write nums of 0 is my maximum value. So we have a for loop till this. I will calculate the maximum value here. Yes, I need a minimum value, long of min. First I will take I plus 1th as my minimum value. Then I will write a for loop. I will write a for loop of k. This is my k. It will start from I plus 2 till n, and that's it, right? And here for long we can write 0. There's totally no issues. So then we will do our calculation for the answer. We have this calculation, and inside of this, let me write log here. Log of I is my maximum value. Log of j is my minimum value, which I calculate. Then after doing this calculation, so I have found one pair. This is my pair, right? So then I will go ahead. What I am taking this as my maximum value, this as my minimum value. Then I am on to this index, right? So I have fixed my I pointer, but for j, I will take the minimum value between these two, right? So it will take 1 as my minimum value. So after doing the calculation, after taking a pair, before jumping into the next iteration, just calculate the minimum value. So just calculate the minimum value, so between nums of k, right? And that's all. Let me return answer and let me submit this. And we have an error because I am accessing I plus 1, so it should be accessible. So I will write n minus 1 or n minus 2, you can write. Yes, working fine. Let me submit this and I hope it will work. Yes. So let's discuss about the time and space complexity. In this case, the time complexity is n square and space is constant. Can we do better? Yes, we can do better, but I will make a separate video, and the video is purely dedicated on this part 2. In this we have a constraint on the higher side, so we will try to solve in order of n time, sorry. And that's all about this video. Both the solution is provided in the description box. Thank you all for watching.